All right, dream with me for a second. It's Monday and you're headed out on vacation. You spend an entire week stress-free on the beach. Friday rolls around, you're headed home. Except for you're not going to your old home, you're headed to your brand new home. You walk through the front door, there's no boxes, there's no trash. All of the furniture exactly where it should be. Your beds are made, pantry and refrigerator stocked with all of your favorites. Sound too good to be true? Well, that's exactly the kind of magic that Hello Happy Home creates for all of our clients. So when you inquire about our Concierge Relocation, through some questionnaires and an in-person walkthrough, we gather all of the information needed to build a personalized schedule and budget so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish.
Important information like moving specialty items, pianos, fine art, pool tables, safes, advanced AV coordination, finding cleaners for both homes, decluttering before the move, getting trash removal at the end, and anything else custom and unique to your home.
As you can see, there's a lot of things that have to happen before we even get to pack day. It can be a lot for one person to handle, and stressful to say the least. But that's where we shine. We handle it all so you don't have to. One thing we pride ourselves on is being able to organize your home in a day. Now, we may not be able to move your entire home in a day, but we do aim to start on Monday and end on Friday. In fact, that's exactly what we're doing with our clients this week, except this time they're not at the beach. They're just down the street at a hotel. Nevertheless, they're still gonna get the magical experience of a stress-free move and right before hosting a high school graduation party this Saturday. We've got our work cut out for us.
A step that we highly recommend before packing is to do a declutter day with our team. For this client, we did that last week and everything in this house has been touched and gone through. The trash is gone, the items are donated that no longer need to be here, which is gonna save them money and time packing everything up. The movers got here this morning. They bring the boxes, they bring the tape, they bring all the supplies necessary, and you don't have to do anything. They pack everything into the boxes, they're taking extra care with your breakables. Everything's gonna make it to the other side and you didn't have to lift a finger.
All right, we talked about pain points that you don't have to deal with when Hello Happy Home is running your move for you, and here's one. Today's move, they're installing a pickleball court at the bottom of the house that started yesterday before our move. It's also raining a little bit, and the dump truck full of the sand for the pickleball court is now stalled in the only driveway that we have to move the two moving trucks into. So the only way for us to get the moving trucks into this driveway to unload them is to get a chain, pull the dump truck with our moving trucks, and get it out of the way so that we can get the stuff in. And guess what? We're dealing with it for our clients. They don't even have to know this is happening.
Boxes are coming off of the trucks and we have our team inside ready to assess every single item to make sure it gets to the right spot. We have the doors labeled with every kid's name. As the movers bring the furniture and the boxes in, they're unwrapping the furniture, putting together beds, putting together side tables, and we're making sure that everything's in the right spot and looks just right. And you don't have to do anything.
Okay, there you go.
Yesterday was the easy part. We unbox everything and we just throw it where it goes. Today is a little bit more stressful because everything's just everywhere, but now we have to make it pretty. So we have to find the right bins. It's fun because we need to make it beautiful, but there's a whole lot of mental stuff that goes on today. So we're unpacking the pantry now. The best thing about what we do with a move is we have the client do an Instacart order. So we moved all of their stuff from the old house that was in the fridge and in the pantry that wasn't expired. We also got rid of that for them. But today she put in an Instacart order that just arrived at the front door, and now we're unpacking it. So not only are they gonna come home to an organized house in all the drawers and the closets, but their pantry and their fridge is going to be stocked with everything that they love and use with all their kids. It's pretty great. When you're moving, I think this is one of the most stressful parts. Boxes and trash pile up so quickly when you're unboxing everything. And then how long is this gonna sit here if you're taking care of it by yourself? Part of what we do with our moving coordination is we supply a junk removal service to come and remove everything before you get home. You never have to see a pile of trash. We did it. We did it, we did it, we did it. Oh, this is a good one. This is a massive house. And when we got here this morning, there were piles all over the floor, and there's not one. There's floor everywhere. This is insane. The high we get from this as a team is like no other, and I love it so much. Team, hold it on this job. It makes me want to cry. Like, it was so emotional. It's incredible. Like, Monday, this house had nothing in it. The previous owners had just moved out. And on Friday, it literally looks like they have lived here for 10 years. But even better, because we moved from their old house and there was no systems, like nothing made sense. They know exactly where scissors are. They can find their kids' uniforms for school. Everything has a label and it looks beautiful. It matches the aesthetic of this beautiful house. The family's about to come in. We told them to wait outside because we want to make sure everything's perfect. And then this is the fun part where our team gets to see their faces light up.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
man.
Yeah.
So, I mean, there's literally no words to say thank you. Like, how does thank you even do it? Like, this is the biggest gift that I have ever, like, received. Like, that I do not have to come in and do one thing. And my daughter can graduate and we can just enjoy. It's just in the summer. Like, I don't have to worry about doing all this all summer long.
All right, they absolutely loved it. Seeing the reaction on their faces makes everything worth it. They have 7 kids. Tears and joy, they were so excited, and it makes all of the long nights and our feet hurting so worth it in the end. And we moved an 8,000 square foot house faster than they could build a pickleball court in the back, so I think that's a success. Are you ready to experience the magic of a stress-free move? Look no further than Hello Happy Home. Your dream move is just a phone call away.